Hey everyone, I'm Matt Bartholomew, real estate agent with Nordhaus Real Estate Group. We're at my newest listing, 1204 21st Street Northeast in Austin. Super excited about this one. Let's take a look. Built in the early 50s, this home was designed by Twin Cities architectural firm Humphrey and Hardingberg and has huge exposed beams, tongue and groove ceiling, slate floors, 3 bedrooms on the main level, and kitchen and dining space that opens up to the lower level with views of the beautiful backyard. Situated on just under 2 acres and surrounded by woods, this home is a literal outdoor oasis, in-ground pool, huge wraparound patio. You couldn't ask for a better space to entertain family and friends. The property sits adjacent to the J.C. Hormel Nature Center, which has over 500 acres of native and restored prairie, hardwood forest, and over 9 miles of trails. Thanks for joining us on this tour today. I'm Matt Bartholomew with Nordhaus Real Estate Group. We'll see you next time.